Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? Hope all you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. This is Amiruddin, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics Morning Shift, National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class for the students of class 6. Our today's topic, chapter 1, CQ2. Will give one SW and CQ1 will be your SW. This is lesson number 4 and SW number 2. Okay, dear the students, let us start our class. Here the question of CQ2 is 3,126,043,082 is a number written in words in international system. Here one number is given and it is given in international system and it is written in words. Now a number question is how many lakhs make 5 millions? B number question, express the number in words in local system. And C number question, write the digits of the number conversely. And then write the obtained number in words in international system. Okay, dear the students, we will solve now. At first we will solve a number. Here a number question is how many lakhs make 5 millions? You know that 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs. So 5 million is equal to will be 5 times of 10 lakh. That means if we multiply 10 by 5, then we can get the answer. We know that 1 million is equal to 10 lakh. Therefore, 5 millions is equal to 5 times of 10 lakh. And this is equal to 50 lakh. Answer 50 lakh. Okay, we have done a number. Now the students will solve B number question. Here the question is express the number in words in local system. Here the number is given in words, but it is given in international system. So at first we have to write the number in digits. Then we will put comma in appropriate position in local system. Then we will write the number in words in local system. Okay, here given. At first we will write the given number. The given number is 3 billion 126 million 126 million 126 million 43,000 43,000 and 82. Now we will write the number in digits. In digits, the number is here 3 billion. So in billion place we have to write 3 billion, then 126 million. In million place we have to write 126. Now 126 million, then 43,000 we have to put 3 digit in thousands place. Here only 43 exists, so we have to give 1 0. Then we have to write 43. 3,126,043,000. Then and 82. 82 in hundreds place, we have to write 0. Then have to write 82. This is 3,126,043,082. Here the comma is given in international system. Now we will put comma in the number in local system. Putting comma. Putting comma in appropriate position. Putting comma in appropriate position in above number. In local system. Local system we get. Putting comma in appropriate position in above number in local system we get. At first we will write only digits. 3 1 2 6 0 4 3 0 8 2. In local system we know that first comma will come after 3 digit 1 2 3, so first comma will come here. Again now after every 2 digits another comma will come. 1 2 1, another comma will come here. 1 2, another comma will come here. Now in local system if we want to read it, it will be 312, it's in crore place, so it will be 312 crore, and 60 is in lakhs place, so 60 lakh. 312 crore, 60 lakh, 43,082. So the number in words in local system is 312 crore, 60 lakh, 43,082. In local system. In words. The number is 312 crore, 60 lakh, 60 lakh, sorry, 60 lakh 43,000, 43,082. Okay, dear the students, we have solved B number. It is the solution of B number. It was the solution of B number. We have solved B number question. Now we will solve C number. I am erasing it now. Now we will solve C number. Here the question is write the digits of the number conversely and then write the obtained number in words in international system. At first, we have to write the number in digits. Then we have to arrange the digit conversely. Then we have to write the obtained number in words in international system. The number is in digits. From B we get it. The number is in digits. The number is 3,126,043,043 and 82. 082. It is the number. Now we have to arrange the digit conversely. Arranging the digits of the above number conversely, and putting comma in appropriate position. In appropriate position in international system. In international system. We get, at first we will write the digits of the number conversely. First you have to write 2, then 8, then 0, then 3, then 4, then 0, 6, 2, 1, 3. 4, then 0, 6, 2, 1, 3. Now we will put comma in international system. In international system, after every 3 digits we have to put comma. First comma will come here, second comma will come here, and another comma will come here. Now we have to write this number in words. It will be here 2 is in billion place, 803 is in million place, 406 is in thousands place. So the number will be 2,803,406,213. In international system. International system in words. In international system in words, the number is the number is 2 billion. Two billion 803 million. $803 million 406,000. 406,000, then 213. 213. Okay, dear the students, we have solved C number. We have solved CQ2. Now I am giving you SW. Here CQ1 is your SW. The question is 405398762 are 9 digits. A number question is write down the greatest and the smallest numbers consisting of 5 digits. Same types of math we have already done in live class and in YouTube class also. And B number, form the greatest and the smallest numbers consisting of above 9 digits using the digits only once. Such types of math also we have done. And C number, determine the place value of the significant digits of the smallest number obtained in B. In live class we have solved these types of problems. So I hope you will be able to do CQ1. Okay, do your SW properly and submit next Saturday. Stay home, stay safe, obey your parents' order. Thank you for watching the class. Allah Hafiz.